Good morning, YouTube. Well, I had an interesting start to my day. On my way down to work today on the bike, ended up hitting a grouse on the way down. Missed the windshield, but took out the latch, both of the latches on my top box. And when they hit it, the box popped open and ended up splitting where the hinges are on the other side, splitting the actual box itself. Stupid grouse. So I've got an insurance claim going on that. Just gotta bring it up to the Harley dealer, get a quote for how much it's gonna be to replace it. Happy Friday! Oh, what a day. Ended up starting the day bringing a empty up to Hibbing, Minnesota to get loaded at MDI to bring a load back down to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And then grabbed another empty, and I'm over here at Twin Ports warehouse, our warehouse here, loading up for Broken Bow, Oklahoma. And drop that at the yard for somebody else to take down there. Yeah. How's everybody's week been going so far? Been going good here until today. Oh, I didn't think a grouse could actually do that much damage. Oh well. That's what full coverage insurance is for, right? Oh, wow. Nice and windy here today down in Duluth. Wind coming right off the lake. You know it's windy when the lake's got white caps on it, and then the harbor's got white caps. Yeah. So, that's been my day so far. Yeah. We will talk to you guys in a little while as the day progresses. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good night. Talk to you in the morning.